Voyager Surround 80 UC Quick Start. The Voyager Surround 80 UC is a binaural, over-the-ear Bluetooth headset featuring touch controls. In the box is the Voyager Surround 80 UC Bluetooth headset, a USB-C Bluetooth adapter, a USB-C to USB-A adapter, a USB-C to USB-C cable, a USB-C to 3.5mm cable, and a headset carrying case. When putting the headset on, make sure that the microphones are on the front of your ear cups, facing your mouth. The power switch is the lower button located behind the right ear cup. Slide it to turn the headset on. The mute button is the higher button located behind the right ear cup. Your headset has a touch control on the right ear cup. Use swipe and tap gestures for call and media control. To adjust volume, swipe up to increase volume and down to decrease volume. To play or pause audio, tap the touch control. Swipe forward to track forward on media and backward to track backward. The Voyager Surround 80 UC also has a custom button that can be used to control how your headset handles external sound. Active noise canceling, also known as ANC, reduces external noise, enhancing your music and sound quality. While your headset is in the default transparency mode, you can adjust how much of your surroundings you hear. To customize this button, use the PolyLens app. Go to Settings, Custom button. Other options, such as redial, status check, and do nothing, may be available. To further fine-tune ANC/transparency mode, use the ANC drop-down menu. To activate the custom button mode, tap the right ear cup with 2 fingers for 2 seconds. When set to transparency mode, swipe up or down on the right ear cup to adjust transparency mode level. Now that you've learned how to use your Voyager Surround 80 UC headset, you can enjoy its full audio capabilities. Find more helpful videos on our HP Support YouTube channel.